So good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yeah. How have you been?
Yeah, I have been fantastic. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Everything is
Hmm.
going on very well. After a long
Yeah.
time, yeah, after a long time, we are meeting each other.
Hmm. Okay, that's great. So, so I think you are in the field, huh,
Yeah,
sir?
I'm on the field area. Yeah, it is near my house. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
actually, there is a when I make the video in this place, there is a good
Mm-hmm.
network connection, and you know very
Mm-hmm.
well in this application there is a problem for network. Yeah, that's why I always come here.
Yeah, actually, in this application, there is only problem like the picture not clearly. Okay,
Yes, 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 yes.
that's his problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right, sir. Before starting our
Mm-hmm.
conversation, we should introduce ourselves. So, first of all, please say something about yourself. I know about yourself, but for my viewers,
Okay, thank you so much for asking. And well, as you know, my name is Lucky Ali, and I'm connected to Gurugram, Haryana now. And if I talk about my qualification, I have done graduation in 2012. Right now, I'm working person, and nowadays I'm practice English because I am a very enthusiastic person, and I want to become like a good speaker, so that's why I'm doing like this. So this is all about me, sir.
yes,
Thank you.
yes, yes. It is wonderful introduction from your side. And sir, you have completed your graduation, but in which subject you have completed your graduation?
Sir, social science,
Social science. Yeah, yeah,
sociology.
yes. And sir, how is your practice going on?
Yeah, in my side, sir, actually everything going on well and practice also going on well. Okay, there is no complaining about my side.
Yes, yes. And sir, I would like to ask one question to you. And
Mm-hmm.
how long have you been learning this language? And at the beginning time when you started your English speaking journey, at that time what kind of method did you follow?
Yeah, thank you so much for asking. And this is very well, important question. So actually, I have learning this language. I have learning this language. It's been 1 year. I have completed, and there is no specific any method. Okay, so actually whatever I got the chance, whatever I get the idea about only from the YouTube channel, and where I get the idea and where the right direction some people are just mentioned there. So that things get me motivate and definite, and now I'm able to speak because of YouTube channel. Okay, and because of my curiosity and patience also, because nowadays I'm practicing English, and nowadays I have like patience, so that's why I'm able to speak language.
Yes, yes, wonderful. And sir, you have been learning this language more than one year, and maybe you have a few friends, maybe you have a few colleagues, maybe you have a few members, and do they know about your English speaking journey?
Yeah, actually, if you are connected to social media, definitely people know you. People know like your friends or colleagues, and all the people, they also know you. So it is a power of you can say like this social media. Okay, so social media is all about like people who want to connect with you, and if you have like a skill, if you have like a dedication, something, do something, so you can go through social media. Definitely people know you, people watching you. So this is going on.
Yes, yes. And sir, and what kind of comments are you getting from your friend circle and from your relative circle about the English
Yeah,
language?
you know very well कि some people are just misuse, some people are laugh at you, some people are making cry criticisms and some people are also very good person, they always appreciate you your journey and started something new, so people appreciate you. Some people our friend also appreciate you, some people are just jealous you, some people making a bad comment, you are not good, your english is not good, and why you learning this language, this type of activity it's happen, okay, in your side and my side. So it's a, it is not like a big issue, okay. Don't do not focus on this type of activity. You need to focus on your communication skill, how to develop your communication skill, how to develop your body skills and everything. Then you can easily who's always unlike you, definitely one day he will and she will appreciate your journey. So you need to polish yourself first, okay. Don't do like this ki who people given you bad comment or not, okay, no matter, you have to check yourself, why I'm learning english, what is my target, so definitely you will achieve.
Yes, yes, you are right. Yeah, I have been learning this language more than 2 years, and I have been running my YouTube channel around 1 year, and I I have an I have a Facebook account. I share the video in my Facebook, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I have a few friends, I have a few relatives, and they watch my video. And after watching my video, they told me, yeah, few of the person they told me, yeah, bro, you are doing a good job. Yeah, plus please tell me how did you learn this language and what is the secret of speaking English. This type of questions
Mm-hmm.
they asked me. First,
Mm-hmm.
I replied, yeah, always you have to practice regular basis. Practice is the most important key. Every single day, always you have to practice. But
Mm-hmm.
they are not satisfied. Yeah, they are not satisfied with me. They always think that maybe there is a secret. Maybe there is a shortcut. I will I will tell them, and they will learn
Mm-hmm.
this language very easily. Yeah, they are not satisfied with my answer.
Yeah, definitely. Because if you are going to certify people, so I think you're not a great person. You not rich person. So how can you certify your people? So
Yes,
don't
yes.
certify your people. You need to make your certified yourself first. If you are certified yourself, so definitely you will make certified also people. Okay, so people are not like you, okay, because of you are I think on the path, on the
Yes,
path, okay, and one day you will reach our destination, but they people not like you because of you are doing great job, you are doing such a new skill, you adapting new skill, that's why people not like you. So don't worry, you have to make patience, you have to make curiosity and don't leave practice, okay. Practice
yes,
make
yes,
man perfect. So practice
yes,
is a very important part for learning this language, and one and who's practice every day, definitely he she will achieve this skills very soon.
yes, yes. You are saying right. And sir, I would like to ask one question to you. You have been learning the language more than 1 year. I have been learning
Mm-hmm.
this language for a long time. I know very
Mm-hmm.
well to learn any language. Always it will take time because English is not my mother tongue. It is second
Mm-hmm.
language. Yeah, and in
Right,
my
right.
country, in my locality, there is no good English environment. That's why
Right,
it will always take time. Yeah, but just few days you cannot learn this language. But
right,
sir,
right.
after I know very well, you for learning this language, you had to face a lot of problem. You had to
Mm,
struggle for learning this language. I know very well
mm,
because I had to face a lot of problem. And right now
mm-hmm.
also you are speaking English very well. There is no problem. You can
Mm-hmm.
communicate with another person who belong to another state, who belong to another country.
Mm-hmm.
And sir,
Mm-hmm.
after learning this language, after speaking English, are you happy in your life?
Actually, yeah. Actually, a human being, as a human being, it is not possible to every moment you feel happy. Okay, and English related to like you asking me question related to. So I am very happy because I am nowadays I have make friend. I have like you can say like a world type world in foreign countries and our national country. So also like more than friend also making like this. So I think it's a good achievement for me. And if you are if you not here, so I think I'm not getting like a good amount of friend also. So this is a very good achievement by my side. And this is also very good things for me because I'm learning this language. And easily I can connect with people, and I can understand the people. I can share the thought what I'm learning this language, what is the secret of my communication skill. I can you can uh, easily share all the things because of English language. Without English, without knowing English, this is not possible. So it is very good for me because of I'm learning this language. Okay.
Yes, yes. Yes, I
Mm.
know very well you are happy. Yeah, I am also happy after learning this language because during my study I was very weak English subject. At that time I could not write one sentence in English properly. And right now also I
Mm.
am being able to speak English little bit. Yeah, but I can communicate with another. I can communicate with another person. There is no problem. That's why also I am happy after learning this language, and I am over the
Okay.
moon.
Right. Yeah, you are very enthusiastic person because of you are very you can say like the over uh, uh, overthinking power you have. So that's why you able to manage everything because somewhere negativity where negativity comes from you because of you are the right the person, you are on the right truth. So that's
Yes,
why negativity comes you. Okay, nears you. Otherwise negativity who is all about they have say like this, I'm very good speaker. Okay, I'm not doing like any type message like a mistake while the communication skill. So it is not like valuable things. Okay, so everyone making like a mistake
yes,
and
yes,
during the conversation. So this is a learning process. And if you are making mistakes, so you are prove them कि I am learning this language. Okay.
yes, yes. Yeah, I don't think about my making mistake. Yeah, at the beginning time, at the when I started my English speaking, at that time I always used to think about my making mistake. But nowadays
Hmm.
I don't think about it. I know very well mistake is common and everyone
Hmm.
makes mistakes. And I watch so many video on the
Hmm.
YouTube channel.
Hmm.
Who is a
Hmm.
good speaker? Yeah, who is a good speaker and who is a native speaker? They are also making the mistakes while speaking English. I noticed that. That's why
Right.
I don't think about my
Because
making mistakes.
why you not observing that person making like this mistake because they speak flow English. Okay, but you are not, you are making like some mistake, some stuck while the speaking, and your thought is not like a correct way. So that's why people making not correct you. Okay, so that's why you are not managing. But who's speaker good, they always speak flow English. So that's why they not people not not judging what is going on. Okay.
Yes, yes. And sir, nowadays English is very important. English is an international language as well as the communication language and you know English is a professional language. Whenever you go to the interview for taking a good job in a multinational company, first of all the interviewer asks the question in English. That's why most of the guardian and most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium school nowadays. I noticed that. But sir, I want to know from your side, why are you learning this language? What is the reason behind it?
Actually, English is a mandatory, okay, in this era, okay, because you are doing job, so where somewhere you are like facing like a related to problem, like a job related, everything is in English, okay, and sometime like you feel like any type of like papers and like application, there's only option in English, and one more thing is like if you are going to through like a doctor consult like the doctor also advise in English, all the medicine also English.
Yes,
So English is everywhere, all the machinery, all the equipment, although in English. So how you not say, how you say like this ki, this is not important, it is important everywhere. You can find only English, okay. So English is very important. English give you a chance to interact the people, and if you want to become good speaker, so you can go through, and you, definitely you will achieve more things, yeah, in your life. And English is a international language. If you have like, a great chance to interact the people like foreigner people, so you can easily interact the people as well. So this is also good very opportunity. And if you want to get job in higher package in foreign country, so you can go through this language and you can easily find good job. So this is a opportunity you have. If you don't have like this type of skill, I think you are somewhere you miss like a great opportunity like a job and other thing as well. So you have to like communication skill must, then we can learn so many things.
yes, yes, you are saying right. Yeah, English, English language. If you if you a good, if you are a learner, if you want to learn this language, there is just so many advantages of English language. Yeah, and right now you are from another state, Haryana. Yeah, maybe you have a
Hmm.
own native language, but I don't
Hmm.
know your native language properly. But I am
Hmm.
from West Bengal, and I belong to village area, and my Bengali is my mother tongue. But you don't know my native language properly. But after
Hmm.
learning English, we are talking each other. We are
Hmm.
connecting each other. That's why English is
Hmm.
connecting language. And
Yeah, right.
after learning English, whenever you go another country or mainly in the southern part of our country, there is no problem. Yeah, you can communicate with another person. There is no problem.
Right, right, right. If you have communication skill, English, definitely you can go anywhere and you can easily make the friend. You can easily connect the people and you can talk with easily. Okay, if you need
Yes,
anything, so you can easily get. Otherwise, if you don't have English language skill, so I think you can miss lot of opportunity. Like somewhere, if you want to go somewhere, so you can not easily get, okay, if you
yes, yes,
need. So this is a good opportunity you have.
yes. You are right.
Hmm.
And sir, that's
Bye.
winter season right now. The winter season is
Hmm.
going on, and after
Hmm.
that also the summer season will come very
Hmm.
soon.
Hmm.
And do you
Hmm.
like? And what season do you like? Summer or winter?
Yeah, everything is all about God has made. Okay, so how can say like this? It's not important. Everything is important. Every season is a very important part for life. Okay, so I'm very happy. Okay, and whatever I get, so definitely I will welcome. Welcome. Okay.
Yes, yes, you are right. All right,
Hmm.
sir. It was a really nice conversation with you. Yeah, thank you, sir, for
Thank you.
giving your valuable
Thank you.
time. And we are
Thank you,
talking
sir.
around 20 minutes. And sir,
Thank you
after
so much.
connecting with you, I have learned so many things.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Have a good day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye bye.